Hi, we are again discussing the infix expression to postfix conversion, expression to postfix expression conversion. Here we have an expression like this. Okay. In this case, we have a expression like this. This is an infix expression that we are going to convert to its corresponding postfix expression. In this infix expression, to convert this one, we need two array. One is the stack, that is this one, the vertical one, and this is the output array. This is a horizontal one. Okay, output in the sense we are going to save the output in this output array. So first step is to scan from left to right. So in this case, the first one is braces. Okay, in this case, first one is a brace. Okay, if a brace comes, then what we will do, we will process the input and push it into the stack. So in this case, the stack value 0. Next is an operand. So what we will do, we will insert that in the output array. Next one is an operator, so that you have to push it into the stack. Okay, next one is a operand, place it in the output array. So in this case, top value equal to 1. Next, closing bracket. So once the closing bracket comes, then what we will do, we will remove all the elements from the stack and place the operators into the output array. So is corresponding, what happened is the next input is closing bracket. Once the closing bracket comes, what we will do is all the expression in between the open bracket and its corresponding closing bracket will be removed from the stack. So in this case, plus this operator that we have, we are removing that operator and its corresponding open bracket and place the operator. Place the operator in the output array, and now it's empty. Next one is a operator, it's a slash. So what we will do, we will push that operator into the stack, slash. Okay, next again is an open bracket. We will push that open bracket into the stack. Okay, next C is a operand. C is an operand. So what we will do is we will place that operand in the output array. Then minus is an operator. You can push that operator minus into the stack, and then the next one is operand. Place that operand in the output array. Then a closing bracket comes. Once a closing bracket comes, then what we will do, we will remove all the elements in between and place it in the output array. And now we reach the end of the file. I didn't mention the end of the file, /0, that is null character here, because we already discussed that one. So once we reach the last position or end of the file, what we will do, we will remove all the elements in the stack and the stack will be empty. So this is the postfix expression of this corresponding infix expression. So AB plus CD minus slash. So in this case, this precedence or priority of the operators are not affected so much because we have brackets here. So the priority of the operator is very important. I will explain the same thing once again. Okay. Initially, the stack is empty. The first step is to scan the elements from left position to the right up to the null character. First one is a open bracket. What we will do, we will push that open bracket into the stack and top value equal to 0. Next one is a operand, place it in the output array. Next one is an operator. In this case, if we are inserting an operator into the stack, what we have to verify is just verify whether the top of the element represents another operator. If the top of the element is representing another operator, then we have to compare the precedence or the priority of that operator with the new operator. So that we will discuss such an example in the next case. Okay, so in this case, the top of the stack is having an open bracket, so that is not an operator, so we can directly push plus into the stack, this one. And then B, so what we will do, we will place it in here. Then a closing bracket comes. Once the closing bracket comes, what we will do, we will remove all the elements from the in between that open bracket and the closing bracket. And if the operator is there, then what we will do, we will place in the output array. Okay, now the stack is empty. Next we are going to process a slash. So what we will do, we will place it in the stack or push it into the stack. Next is an open bracket. Okay, next comes C. C is a operand. What we will do, if operand comes, then we will place it in the output array. This is the output array. And then minus is an operator. What we will do, if an operator is going to push it into the stack, then the first step before doing that, before doing the push operation, what we have to do is we have to verify what's the element available at the top of the stack. In this case, the top of the stack is an operand. In this case, top of the stack is representing a bracket, not an operand. Top of the stack represents a bracket. So if it is a bracket, then we don't have to worry about that, because if it is an operator, then we have to compare the precedence of those operators. In this case, minus is the operator that we are going to insert or push it to the stack. The first step is to verify what's the element available on the top of the stack. In this case, is an open bracket, so we don't want to bother about that. We can directly insert minus here, and top value equal to 2. Next, it's D. D is an operand. Push it into, place it in the output array. Then a closing bracket comes. So closing bracket comes. What we have to do, we have to remove all the elements up to its corresponding open bracket. So, and if the operators are there in between, then what we have to do is to place it in the output array. Okay, then minus also removed. Okay, next we reach to the end of the file. Once we reach the end of the file, what we have to do is we have to remove all the elements from the stack and place it in the output array. So slash. Now the stack is empty. So this is the concept. Okay. Next we are going to discuss an expression like this. Okay. A plus B star C minus D. In this case, open brackets are not there. Okay. Again, we are going to start it from the beginning. Our first step is to scan from left, that means 0 to the null character. In this case, this is null. Okay. In this case, you have to just note it down that the precedence or the priority of plus and minus is less than the priority of star and slash. So this is having less priority than star and slash. That's the thing that you have to keep it in mind before doing this process. Okay, A is the first operand. So if the operand comes, what we will do? We will place it in the output array. In this case, A, I placed it in the output array. Next one is a plus operator. If an operator comes, what we will do? We will push it into the stack. Before pushing the element to the stack, just verify what is the element available at the top of the stack. In this case, the stack is empty, so we don't have any work here. We can directly push that plus into the stack. Then the next one is a operand. B is an operand. What we will do? We will place it in the output array. Next one is an operator. Okay. Step is to verify whether the top of the element is representing an operator. Yes, top of the element is representing plus operator. The next step is to compare. Plus is having less priority than star. If plus is having less priority than star, then you can insert. So we can place the highest priority operator above the less priority operator. That is the concept. So I placed a star in the above that plus operator. Okay. Next one is a operand. So what we will do? We will place it in the output array. Okay. Next one is again an operator. It's a minus operator, and again verify whether what is the element available at the top of the stack. In this top of the stack we are having star. Okay, star is an operator, minus is an operator. What we have to do, compare minus with star. Minus is having less priority than star. That means star is having the highest priority. If such a case occurs, if minus comes, then compare the priority with the top of the stack. The top of the stack is star. Star is having more priority, higher priority than that of minus. So remove star from the stack, okay, and place it in the output array. Place it in the output array. Again, I am trying to insert minus again. Again, I am verifying what's available in the top of the stack. Top of the stack represents plus. Plus is having same priority. So same priority also not allowed in the stack. So we have to remove that plus also and place it in the output array. Now stack is empty. I removed plus and place it in the output array. Next, minus is inserted, because while inserting pushing minus into the stack, we are verifying whether what is available on the top of the stack. Top of the stack is empty, so top minus 1. So you can directly insert minus here. Next is an operand. So if operand comes, we will add that operand into the output array, or place it in the output array. Then we reach the null character. Once we reach the null character, we will remove all the elements from the top of the stack, or from the stack. All the elements, in the sense minus is the element that is available in the stack. So minus is placed in the output array. So this is the converted expression of a infix expression, of this infix expression. Hope you understand. Then now we are going to discuss about another example. Consider okay, consider this is one of the expression. This is one of the expression that we have. Okay. Now we are going to, this is one of the expression. So just write an expression as like this. A plus B, A plus B star C star D minus E. Consider this is the E. Consider this is an expression that we are going to convert from infix to postfix. Okay. First step is to scan it from left to right. In this case, left is 0 and right is up to 10. The last one is null character that I am not mentioning here because it's understood. Okay, I am not going to explain each and every time. It's understood that the last part or the last one will be a null character in the case of a string. Okay. So now we are going to start it from the beginning. So first expression is A. First input that we are collecting after scanning, the first one is A. A is an operand. What we will do, we will place it in the output array. Next one is an operator. If the operator comes, then we have to push it into the stack. Before pushing the element to the stack, verify what is the element available on the top of the stack. In this case, the top of the stack, in the sense, it's empty. The stack is empty, so we don't want to compare the operator priority or a precedence with any other operator because the stack is empty. So directly insert the plus operator into the stack. Okay. The next one is a B. B is the expression that we B is the input that we have. Is an operand. We are placing that operand into the output array. Next one is star. Okay, star is an operator. So if an operator is the input that we are processing, the step is to compare the operator precedence of the operator available on the top of the stack. The top of the stack is plus. Plus is having less priority than star, so we don't have any issue. We can directly push star on the top. And next one is again a bracket. If the bracket comes, then we can push it into the stack, so top equal to 2. Then C is the next one. Next one is an operand. Place it in the output array. Okay. Then next one is star. Okay. In this case, we have to compare star with the top of the elements on the top of the stack. In this case, the top of the stack is a open bracket. So in this case, we don't want to compare the star with the open bracket because these are two different category. Star bracket is a braces category and the star is in the operator category. So you can directly insert star here. Okay, and top equal to 3 now. Next one is D. So you can place D here. Next one is operator. Okay, operator minus operator is there. So if a minus operator comes, then we have to compare with the operator or the element available on the top of the stack. Top of the stack is star. Star is having higher priority than minus. Minus is the element we are going to insert. So minus is not allowed to sit or place above star. So first step is to remove star from the stack. So I am removing star from the stack and place it in the output array. Then pushing the element minus, and again converting again comparing minus with the element on the top of the stack. Element on the top of the stack is a bracket, so don't worry about that. You can push minus on the stack. Next one is E. We can place E here in the output array. Then the closing bracket comes. So once the closing bracket comes, then what we will do, we will remove the elements in between its corresponding open bracket. So we are removing these two. So this is now 2 and place it in the output array. Then again I am removing this one also because it's an open bracket. So top equal to 1. Again what's the next step? Next one is a null character. That means we reached the end of the file. Once we reach the end of the file, we will remove all the elements in the top from the stack in the order last in first out. So the next one is star that we are going to remove. Okay, this 0, we removed star. And again one more element is there, plus we are removing that one and place it in the output array. Plus remove that one also. Now top equal to -1. Now insertion deletion is not possible. So this is the expression of this is the postfix expression of this corresponding infix expression. Thank you. Hope you understood. If you have any doubt, please call me. We will discuss. Okay.